Okay, I leave tomorrow for California. I'm gonna be gone for a week and a half, and the Sephora Favorites new stuff dropped end of last week, and I ordered it right away. I ordered 3 items, but of course it said it wasn't going to be delivered until Wednesday, and I leave early tomorrow morning. We're taking off here at 4:30 or 5 o'clock in the morning, so that's too early to get mail. And I was like, no, I want them. I want to take them with me. I want to see them. I want to feel them. I want to experience them before I go. Guess what just arrived? I got 3 boxes in. I opened them, but I haven't unboxed them yet. I figured we could do that together. And then I'm gonna get to packing. So that's my job for today, is to pack. Some of the dogs are getting eye exams today, so I just filled out the paperwork for that and got that all taken care of, but I think we're just taking them up. So I got Gentleman Givenchy, or Givenchy, sample, and I got House Labs Triclone Skin Tech Concealer sample. And fair neutral or light neutral should be me. And I have one of these. I don't know which color I have though. And I got the purple one. Okay, so this one here, can I just say, last year with the metal-y looking ones, you know, the shiny ones, versus this year, this is so nice. This feels so good. Okay, so what this one is this Precious Pouts. It's $54 and it's $152 value. So you pay about 1/3. And you get 4 full-size products and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 total. So if there's 4 full size, there's 5 minis in here, which is pretty good, right? And I love lip stuff. So these ones I was debating, but for $54 for me, it was worth it. I love this Mario one. I love that color. I love the Tarte. I love the YSL, and to have 1 travel size, guess what I can bring with me? Rare Beauty's always a hit. Glossier, I have a couple of theirs. The NARS, it looks a little red for me, and then the 2 pencils should work out beautiful, right? So, yay, yippee skippy, I'm not saving these for Christmas. And that's one of the things Rich tells me is I buy too much stuff and he doesn't know what to get me for Christmas. And I'm like, that's Christmases every day. Okay, so we got the Rare Beauty, and I do like this one. I have Happy normally in my drawer right here. I think this is it. Yep, this is Happy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swatch this one for you, but know that it comes with the little one, and it's that. And it looks so pretty on it, and it feels very nourishing. It feels, there's that nice slip to it. It's really nice. Ha! And then I actually have the same Mario, so I'm not opening that Mario yet. I have this Mario one. I really love it. It is the Propel No Repel, so you cannot, there we go, that's that one. About the same shade, but you cannot put it down once you put it up again. So don't put up a whole bunch of it or you're gonna be screwed. But I like it, it does feel good. It is one of my favorite colors. I did have stuff on, but I just put more stuff on because it's good, it works. Okay. The YSL, now I have the Candy Glaze, and this one, is this the same thing? Did I just get repeats of everything that I have? I mean, I'm not gonna be upset if I do. Let's see, it's 15 and it's 02, so no, I don't think so. No, haha, because there's a color on that one. And there's not a color on this one. So, you know, it's just perfect for my pouch. So I keep a fanny pack on for whenever I train dogs. So this is going right in there. So that's coming with me to California for sure. And it'll be on the plane with me so I can, as needed. Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump from Tarte in, what color is that? It's hard to see on there. Does it say on here? In Primrose. So I'm not sure if I have Primrose or not, but I do like that color. There you go. So they're all hitting about those same mid nudie pinks, right, so far, but that's okay. We like the color. The color works. It's one of my favorite colors. Okay, Glossier. Which color is this? Ember. Oh, this might be too dark. Oh, wow, that's really dark. Let's see if it's sheer. Not really. It's dark. I don't know about that one for me. Fenty. We've got a mini Fenty in Gloss Bomb Universal and Champ Stamp Fantasy. So it's a shimmering holographic gold pearl. Oh, do you see that? That's really cute. I like that. Okay. I'm doing a TikTok live. We got a mini Huda Beauty liner. And I'm not opening this because it's going to take forever to open. But a Sephora pencil in Rosewood. Again, that looks a little dark for me. Looks like that and the other dark one, the Glossier, should go perfect together. And then NARS in red. So that might work. Looks a little orangey. But that might work for me. Okay, so that's one down. And Tara just is sitting, she came in and she's sitting there. You want to put that in that container?
Sure can.
Thank you. Okay, next box. Samples. We got Estee Lauder. Okay. And another House Labs for the concealer. And I got something else this time too. I'll give that to you.
Thank you.
So this I got last year at Sephora. And I really liked it, so when I saw this was a potential sample, I picked it up too. And it's the Caudalie Vinergenic C Plus Mask A Instant Detox. So it's an instant detox mask. I really like it. One of the dogs, I had dropped it, one of the dogs picked it up and broke it. And so I had to depot this into something else. But I do really like this one, so I was glad that I got that back again. And then this one is the Clean and Cozy. So this has clean makeup in it. And it's blue, and I like blue. So this one is $64, and it retails for $192. And it comes with, 4 full size. The LYS blush, the Merit blush, the Kosas lip, which I also got at Sephora, and I really liked it, and the Amy Cole, which isn't pronounced Amy Cole, it's like Ami Cole. And then we got little minis. We got the Say, which I've wanted to try. This is the new rose one. Well, the full-size Amy Cole is in Bliss. It's a lip treatment oil. Okay. The Cali Ray is a peptide primer. Okay. Ilia is a hydrating crayon in Pink Door. Kosas, I like that. You know, I had got a couple of those. LYS and Rosy Mauve. Self Love. I don't know if I have that one or not. Merit and Cheeky. I don't think that's the one I have. Necessaire Body Serum. I've wanted to try. I have the Ulta Body. The one I had got at Ulta. Good Molecules, I think it is, body serum, and I like having a body serum. Ole Henriksen Banana Bright. I don't like Ole Henriksen. That's going as a gift for someone. Say Rose Glow, and then Summer Friday's Jet Lag Mask. And since I'm leaving on a jet plane, it will be good. Okay, so here we go. The LYS. Pretty is that? Okay. Necessaire for a small one. That's still a decent amount of product. 50 ml. The Kosas, I do like this. It is clear. I went through, I think I got 2 of them or 3 of them, and I went through all of them. Okay, so the primer, the blurring primer here, that is smaller, but it works. The Ami Cole. Here we go, that's the color. Pretty color so far. Some of them are a little dark, like that one I was like, I don't know about that. The Merit, let me see which Merit one I have. Because I have one already, but I don't know where it is in here. I might have stuck it back there. I'll have to check them out and see. I was checking them the other day before I ordered something. But it's in Cheeky. And that's what it looks like. It's pretty. And it's cute, right? So you can do. You have to make the sound effects. This, the Jet Lag Mask, love this. This is actually going in my pouch for tomorrow. And I know you're not supposed to put it on the plane. Yeah, you know what? I'm leaving the house at like 4:30 tomorrow. So I don't care. I'm not doing skincare in the morning. I'll put it on before before I land, hopefully. But if I feel like my face is tight, I want it. Here's that Ole Hendrickson. So it's a little sample. I don't like that. I've tried different things from them, and I don't like any of them, except for the new lip balm. That I like. Here's the Say. I've been wanting to try this. I like their Star Glow. Their Sun Glow is too... I don't like the bronzy stuff. I know, I'm weird. Here we go. Do some more. I don't want to use it up on my hand to demo. I want to use it on my face. But I do like the Star Glow, so I'm looking forward to this Rose Glow. I like pink. And then Ilia, here is the pencil. Okay, so it's right there. So again, the same color shading, which that works for me. Now this is lip. Okay. Yeah, I like that. So I'm looking forward to trying that.
With the lip gloss.
Right? So that was set number 2. I'm sticking them all back in here so I don't lose everything. Not that that happens. And then last one.
Is this one in pink?
It is.
The
Gio Armani, Acque di Giorgio Armani. Okay, so I don't know, is this men's or women's? I know some of them are like, it doesn't matter, but it does for Rich. I don't know, I think that might be men's. If so, with who I got him something. And then Nomad by Chloe. Okay, Tara likes. And then my free sample with this one was the Ceremonia. I do like it, it's a little heavy for my hair, so I have these set aside. I'm gonna try them, and if they're too heavy still, I'm giving them to Luke, because he has that thicker, curlier hair. And this one is a $69. It's a $189 value, and it has all of these products in it, including, how many, 4 full-size products and a whole bunch of littles. So this one has the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, so we get another Fenty, and this one is the lip in Riri, which is a shimmering rose mauve nude. Glossier Boy Brow, I have not tried their brows yet, I don't think. Grande Cosmetics, Lash Enhancing Serum, yes, I use those. House Labs, Full Size, and Guava, I don't think I have that one, but I like her lip oils and all. Makeup by Mario and Pinch Me Pink. Now I think the last one had a Makeup by Mario in it, and I got it, and I really liked it, so I was excited to see it again in a different color. Milk Makeup Hydra Grip Primer. I'll sometimes use those. Is it the greatest? I haven't noticed. Like, I don't have a favorite primer. Olaplex Bonding Hair Oil. I just gave some to Sam for her birthday. I like it. I like having a hair oil. And then I have one packed for the trip.
You have to pack another one for Georgia.
Right, yeah, I don't have to pack one for Georgia, because when we get back, we're just turning around and going up to Georgia for Sephora, yeah. So September is my month, man. Paula's Choice. Now, I have not tried this liquid exfoliant from Paula's Choice. This is a sample of it. I'm looking forward to trying it. It's a 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Rare Beauty and Outshine. It's, where is it on here? Oh, on the end here. That might be too gold for me. We're going to see. I like the silvers. I like the pinks. I don't like the golds as much. It's too much. Sol de Janeiro is always good. Always good. And then Tower 28 full size. Now, I had also got these at Sephora last year, and my pump finally stopped working because I make my own hypochlorous acid. That's what we use here. And my pump broke on it, so I had to depot it into here. So this is my Tower 28 spray, my hypochlorous acid. I call it Tower 28 because it makes it easier. Or people think that you're putting acid on your face, and then you're like, yes, I am. See? Ha! Just kidding. But I got the real stuff now, so yay. Okay, so the Glossier, this is the brow gel, okay? This is the little mini Olaplex. It's so cute. And how you do this is you take the top off, you hold it upside down, and you tap it like this, and it comes out the little hole. And then you work it through, start at your ends and work your way up. Here is the Mario. This is in Pinch Me Pink, okay? And you can swirl it. You could do a brush. You could do your fingers, whichever. But look at that pink. Look how pretty that is. And I like that you can sheer it out. You can layer it up. But look, how pretty. It's so pretty. Here's my giant Tower 28 spray. They have smaller ones too. I use it for cleaning. I use it for everything. This is just going to be for Vicky's face.
You've got pretty small. small one by your bed.
Yeah, I do. I have a small one by the bed. I've got one in the bathroom. I've got one here. I have them all over. Here is the Sol de Janeiro, the 62, the pink one, or 68, the pink one. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is really gold.
What is it?
C3PO. This is a highlighter. So you go like that. I'll put some on and I'll close it back up again and I'll show you.
Ooh.
Right? It's pretty, but it's so gold. And apparently with the cooler complexion, it looks better in silver. And so, like, I know my mom's always like gold jewelry and everything else and gold, and I like silver. Silver looks better. Like, I'll do gold. I'm not going to be like, no. But you can also shear that out pretty good. Right? I sheared that out pretty good. But you don't wear highlighter to shear it out. Or highlighter to be awesome. The lash serum. But it changes your eye color. Well, don't stick it in your eye. And don't use a gallon of it. I haven't changed my eye color, see? It's still the same. A mini milk primer. And I do like them. They do travel well. I have a drawer. I have a section with primers. Oh, look at that. That's the Fenty in Riri. Oh, I have not used this color yet. So that's it right there. That is so pretty. Okay, nice. And then here is Guava. I don't think I have this one. So I did a smaller one right there. So that's Riri on the bottom and that's Guava right there. And House Labs is always amazing. And then the last is in bubble wrap. And this is the Paula's Choice. I've used a couple Paula's Choice things, but like I said, it hasn't been this one, I don't think. So we've got the liquid exfoliant, salicylic acid. I do like, Kiehl's has one for whenever you have pimples, and I've got like one here that I've been messing around with, and if I would leave it alone, it'd probably heal, but that's okay. But those are the three Sephora favorites. There's one I did not get, and then the perfume one I already have, and I'm going through the perfumes, and I think I'm gonna go with the Kilian for that one. But that had come in earlier. So there's only the green one I didn't get, and not because I don't like the color green. The color green's just meh. But I have some of the stuff that's in there, and is it worth it? I'm still debating. It's in my cart, but I haven't ordered it yet. But I've got these. Now I can go through them, and I can pack up for my trip. And you can follow, and you can see what we do with the service dog in California, at Disneyland, at Universal, and how my makeup game is every day.